So, before I begin, comment down below of how many of you kids have started a Shopify store. Let me know down below, please. And if you could, let me know what country you're from in this crazy place we call a world. Anyway, guys, as the thumbnail stated, I'm just going to show you real quick how much money I make on Shopify, and how much money you can too. So I'll flip it around and we'll get this party started. Happy Saturday, by the way. Did you miss me? Anyway, guys, yes, I do say that every time. And if you're new to this channel, I'm talking about a Shopify store that I created back in, I think November of, no, I take that back, September of last year. And it was just a case study, but it has become something that I make money with every single moment of every day. And I'm just going to dive in and show you guys my Shopify store analytics and go over a couple of other things. And so let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, if you are new to the site or to the channel, I'll just show you the store real quick. This is it, guys. And I actually started this sale yesterday because I thought my products were a little on the pricier side. And it was one of the better days that Titty's Golf Shopify store has seen in just a little bit. But anyway, guys, I designed all these products, and you guys can too. Watch my other videos. I show you guys where you can get these designs, etc. So, and there's a 3-month trial for Shopify, so there's no excuses, guys, of why you can't do this. As I always say, I know I look like a rocket scientist, but I'm far from that. So, if I can do it, guys, anyone can do it. So, anyway, let's flip it around here. I already have now this is last month's numbers. Shopify numbers. So we did $6,307. And again, if you're new here, I am very transparent. I'm not like the other YouTube gurus on Shopify who basically they don't tell you guys what it takes to generate these sales. This is not profit, but it's pretty darn good. Okay, so 6,300. Let me go to my Google Ads account for Titty's Golf. And if you guys want any epic golf gear, you can head over there. Where was I? And no, I don't do scripts. And no, I never will. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. I don't even know what frickin' month it is. I love my life. Absolutely love my life. Still no sponsorship, Yeti. Come on, let's go. Apply. So as you can see right here, guys, we spent 1.64, 1,600, 400, $1,640 is what we spent on ads, with an average cost of 45 cents, which is pretty good. I actually got that lower. It's been lower in the month of May, which is great. Okay, so I might need to write this down. 1.64. And let's just say 6,300 in sales. Now, guys, we need to go over to Printful. I use Printful for the majority of my products. I do use Printify for stickers and certain mugs and stuff like that. But let's head over to my Printful account and let's go. Let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Statistics. Okay, let's go up here, guys. Okay, that's my Shopify store, Titty's Golf Company. We will go to last month, apply, And guys, I haven't done this, so I don't even know. I mean, I know in the up here in my noggin, but okay. So here's our profit right here, guys. So 3,000. We'll just say 3,060. Now let's do a little math. Let's go to our calculator. Calculator. And if you are new here, I love music, and yeah. This will work just fine. Minus equals, so that's 4660. Actually, you know what, guys? I'm not doing this right. 4660. 4660. Have I lost my mind? No, actually, I haven't lost my mind. I don't even need to show you guys. We don't even need to do this because we did 6,300 in sales. I just showed you what the profit was. So we need to take this profit here, guys and gals. Comment down below and let me know if you're a male or female. And the reason why I call you kids is because, let's just say I'm over 50 years old, and I've been playing this, making money online with Shopify and affiliate marketing and all that for 25 years. So anyway, so 3,050, okay, 3,060, 1.6, 1. So that is our profit, guys, for the month of, what did I say, April? That was our profit in April, guys. And yes, I had to build the Shopify store and all of that. But guys, this stuff is not it's not rocket science. And I've given you guys a 3-month trial down below. So there certainly shouldn't be any excuses. It is $1 a month. So if you can't afford that, then I don't know what to tell you. And several of you have taken action on that. So thank you for that. But guys, I mean, watch my other Shopify. I have a whole Shopify playlist because I'm not going to get into how to design products and stuff like that. I paid someone on Fiverr to create the titties logo, and I paid him like $30 or something like that. And then all the other products on there I designed myself using Canva and PicMonkey and some other tools. But guys, it's not freaking hard. It is not hard. And I know this isn't a lot of money, but with my other activities, affiliate marketing, et cetera, guys, it is a lot of money. And I know it is a lot of money to a lot of you because I know a lot of you are in other countries like India and stuff like that. So my goal with this Shopify store is to be generating $3,000 a month in pure profit. And then, like I always do, I'll probably end up flipping it on Flippa or selling it. So anyway, guys, I think I'm going to leave it at that. I know you haven't seen this beautiful face in a minute, but trust me, your cash cow is always working behind the scenes. And I'm just thinking, I know maybe I should do scripts. But anyway, guys, this again, it's not rocket science. Just use that trial down below, and I mean, you have 3 months. My Shopify store that we're talking about here, it only took me less than a week to make it, and I'm a perfectionist, which is very debilitating. It sucks. So it'll probably take you like way less. But like I always say, guys, get in and just start messing with shit. Take action, guys. 100%. So anyway, I love you all, and I hope you have a wonderful Saturday and Sunday fun day coming up. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Not sure when that's going to be, but it'll be soon because I have some new news to share with you. Anyway, I love you all and have a wonderful day. Peace.